I must say that the Andhra Pradesh has been doing extremely well, and there has been a surge of 20.5% in the investment, live investment I am talking about, and the total number of live projects added in the old one were 1,449. The state attracted 9,34,143 crore rupees of investment till December 10, 2010, and it was something like 7.5% of the total national investment that was attracted by India, and that was 104 lakh crore rupees investment proposals that were invited. So attracted by India, by all the states. So in terms of the total volume and the total investment forthcoming to the state, rather there has been an increase of more than 20%, despite all disturbances that you had during the last year. Thank you. The GDP slowed down was not very much, but you know that there had been a slowdown all over the country and all over the world. The investment proposals were kept by the industry people on hold. The expansion program were not taking place. There has been a slowdown in the investment, particularly I am talking of Andhra Pradesh in the mineral sector, and so that had kept. The another reason that had slowed down, particularly the Andhra Pradesh economy, was the power shortage, and the power shortage had impacted to the extent of 15 to 20%, particularly the small sector, because the large sector could afford to be working on the diesel or the captive power units, but unfortunately the value, you know, that the extra value or the extra cost that the small industry had to bear had definitely impacted them, but the overall performance of the state had been really good. You know that agriculture is the hub after Punjab and Haryana. The Andhra Pradesh is the agrarian state, and we are very very happy that the state of Andhra Pradesh during the last few years have taken the very very significant action on providing the irrigation to the farmer, and that has definitely given a huge push to the agriculture sector. That's the reason that the ASSOCHAM has chosen. My president was very, very keen that we should be starting the Green Revolution 2 from the state of Andhra Pradesh. And as my chairman has already said, that we'll be taking it into the Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. As far as the Andhra Pradesh is concerned, we are putting lot of focus on the value addition in the agriculture. My president is already talking to the France. France has already agreed to bring some technologies here. So we'll be bringing the technology people here. We want that the agriculture has a huge base in Andhra Pradesh, and nearly around 70% people are still surviving on the agriculture sector. Last time, if you remember, we came out with the BT cotton, and in this very hall, we had an interaction with the media, and that time we had brought the BT cotton people. So we are bringing similarly the technology people again to this state. We are trying to be, as my chairman has already said, the president and the other minister will be recognizing some of the farmers' contribution in the evening today at the dinner function.